Hey guys, welcome to True Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Here we discuss YouTubers as well as celebrity guys. For those who don't know, mihlali, she's one of the biggest influencer here in South Africa. You know, numbers do not lie here on YouTube as well and Instagram, guys. For those who don't know, mihlali ndamase, she's dating Leroy Sedembe, who is Mary Jane's husband. They're still married. They haven't done their divorce, so we consider that as Mary Jane's husband, guys. So the last time we saw Leroy Sedembe on mihlali ndamase's status on Instagram, it was on mihlali's little sister's place day. And then we thought on Christmas, mihlali was busy doing a friend with her mom. They were doing those kind of stuff, you know, partying and whatever it is, whatever we call it. So we thought maybe, yeah, you know, but as a couple, most of people were posting their partners and they posting the present that they got from their boyfriend and they are mad. mihlali ndamase did not even share anything, and I was like, it's fine, we're gonna wait for New Year's Eve. And it happened New Year's Eve. mihlali ndamase decided to go cold on us. There was nothing from Leroy, there was nothing from mihlali, and I find it very weird, guys, knowing very well that they were sharing birthday, they were done everything, and now they're just going cold on us. I feel like there's a troubled paradise, guys. We know they say we mind our business. Why would we want to keep the relationship secret now? Oh, well, you didn't mind to share in the beginning. It doesn't make sense for me. It has been 8 days. Mihlali is not posting Leroy. And one thing about mihlali, she loves to post her man. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Or maybe just, guys, this is my two opinion. I mean, at the end of the day, they come out, so we need to discuss them.